Viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you create a new Instagram chatbot on the BotPenguin platform. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left-hand side, you have to tap on the first option, that is Create New Bot. On the BotPenguin platform, you can create a lead generation chatbot, customer support chatbot, appointment booking chatbot, marketing automation chatbot, e-commerce chatbot, or any other chatbot of your choice. For now, I am simply selecting the lead generation chatbot option. Then you have to choose the platform for which you want to create a chatbot. So here is the Instagram chatbot option. I'll just click on it. Then you simply have to log in with your Instagram account. It should be a business account and it should be linked with a Facebook page. You have to simply click on the login button. And here you have to log in with your Instagram account and you have to click on the login button. Then it will ask for a permission. You just have to click on the allow button. And as you can see, the bot has been created successfully. By creating an Instagram chatbot, you can provide 24/7 customer support to your customers. It can also help you in increasing the engagement, as chatbots can engage with your audience in the real time. And unlike human agents, chatbots can handle multiple conversations at the same time. So this was the simple process of creating an Instagram chatbot on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.